Hello friends, today I'll be discussing with you one sample t-test. For the purpose of this demonstration, I am taking an hypothetical example over here where a researcher is interested to know whether the average running speed of an Indian lion is same as of Bengal tiger. The researcher is aware of the average speed of Bengal tiger, which is 4 miles per hour. The researcher has also collected data of the average running speed of 15 Indian lions. Now researcher is interested into knowing that is the average speed of the Bengal tiger and Indian lions the same. Now the very first question arises, how would I come to know that I need to apply one sample t-test over here? The researcher has collected the average running speed of Indian lions in miles per hour, whereas the average speed of Bengal tiger is also collected in miles per hour. Since scale data are a requirement of all t-tests, it is therefore possible to use one of the t-tests over here. It is clear that the researcher has only one random sample, so we can easily apply one sample t-test over here. The mean average speed or the mean speed or the average speed of this sample can be compared with the hypothetical speed that I have considered over here of the Bengal tiger. The null hypothesis in case of this example would be that the average running speed of Indian lion is equal to the average running speed of Bengal tiger, whereas the null hypothesis would be that the average running speed of Indian lion is not equal to the average running speed of Bengal tiger. So let us test the hypothesis now in SPSS. So in order to apply one sample t-test, I'll be moving to my SPSS. In the variable view of SPSS, you can see that I have defined a variable with the name of lion_speed. It is a numeric type and the measure is scale over here, which is one of the conditions of the data for one sample t-test. In the data view, you can see that the average running speed of 15 Indian lions have been entered. Now in order to apply one sample t-test, I would be selecting analyze. After clicking on analyze, select compare means. In compare means, select one sample t-test. Once the one sample t-test box would be opening, I would be transferring the lion speed variable into the box of test variables. Now my test value over here is 4. I want to test the speed of Indian lions against the speed of average running speed of Bengal tiger, which is 4. So I would be entering my test value of 4 over here. Straightforward. Clicking on OK. Once the output window would open, you would be able to see two tables over here. One is one sample statistics and one sample test. If I see the one sample test, over here I need to see this SIG dot two-tailed, which means significance value two-tailed. The value is 0.122. The value of 0.122 simply means that I cannot reject the null hypothesis because the value of P or the significance is more than 0.05. Whenever the value of P is more than 0.05, null hypothesis is not rejected. So as the value is more than 0.05, in this case we fail to reject the null hypothesis, which stated that the average speed of Indian lion and the Bengal tiger are same. So the researcher has got the answer that for two animals, that is Bengal tiger and Indian lion, the average running speed of both of these animals are same. So This is a very simple technique for hypothesis testing. I hope that this tutorial is going to help you. So if you like the video, do subscribe and share. Thank you.